They call themselves the Amici val Ceno Galles, the Welsh friends of Val Ceno. 400 from among the thousands of Italians who have settled in Wales played host to their Mediterranean kinfolk in an evening that showed how close the ties are between Wales and Italy.
I was brought up in Italy but came back to this country in '46 and went into the catering trade as every good Italian does in this part of the world.
And what size is your restaurant train now?
I have 9 restaurants to date, yes. Not only in Wales but other parts of the country.
I've done charitable work for over 32 years with the Mirtha Mendicants, as you can see the badge here. A lot of people mistake this for the mafia, but it's the Mirtha Mendicants, a local charity which has done tremendous work.
Came over in 1947. I married 4 years after, a Welshman. I got 3 children, grown up, married, they done well in school, great.
Why do you think the Italians have settled down here so well?
Well, I mean, the atmosphere here is very nice, the people are very nice, and the living is here, that's the main thing.
You must give these boys, these people, credit for all the work they've done for months and months, rehearsing every night just for this particular show.
Are you pleased with the attendance here?
Very much. The only thing that the people in the bars are a bit noisy. We asked them to keep quiet, but they just won't, you see.